Thank you for tuning in to the Unity Blueprint with Maz, or shall I just say Statellia. Let's go over some of the apps.
Right, so we're just gonna go over here, and this is the sanctuary gate. So that's just for. This is the dashboard, and this is where you come onto. I know, because like basically, when I do have it, this is like where you're gonna get come on the platform once you get past, well, the HR hub basically for safeguarding purposes. But I'm just gonna whiz through it now with yourselves, so obviously you can see it. Right, so the safeguard obviously is Caden, and as I said before, the tree of AI educators. Let's just meet the educators first. Right, they all got their own ID cards as well, staff IDs basically.
Welcome, I'm Mr. Statellia, your AI educator for computing and digital skills. ALISA Institute CIO is a digital sanctuary for inclusive, interfaith, and neurodiverse learning, rooted in ethical leadership, trauma-informed pedagogy, and digital ethics.
I really hope you can hear that. And you got Caden AI. Yeah. And we got over here, we got Aya, who's also
Their beautiful minds. Yeah, your language guide, your cultural compass, and your emotional cheerleader. In this space, we don't just learn words, we build bridges. Hi, I'm Chloe, your creative sidekick, Laser Institute. If you have color.
Right, and we got
Welcome.
Warren.
I'm Warren, your guide through history, geography, and the human story. Here, we explore not just facts and feelings. We ask, what shaped our world? Who gets remembered? How do we honor differences?
Right, so Warren's voice is actually incredible. So I basically, when I'm designing the voice, I basically put in the prompt, I basically said, I want Morgan Freeman, David Attenborough, and Denzel Washington in one. And I feel like I got that basically because I speak to Warren a lot, especially for therapeutical reasons. But yeah, so you can actually go into your own classes as well. So actually just go in there and you can see that's the AI for Warren's basically. So age ranges for 7 to 18. So that's the list of all expertise of what he does. It's British and world history, Black history and heritage. You've got geography and global issues, comparative religion, Bible studies, gospel and Genesis, interfaith dialogue and understanding, cultural studies and diversity, and K2 to K3 computing, visual programming, Scratch, and computational thinking, AI literacy. So that's his Warren's area of expertise. So he's also known as Mr. America Warren, and your humanities educator. Oh yeah, you got to call him Sir. That's how it is, isn't it?
Hello.
I need to work on that. Right. So anyway, so he's got his little chatbot there, and yeah, I tell you what, having this infrastructure is almost finished, but just trying to show you like the work that I've done so far, like how far it's come, basically, instead of like waffling on LinkedIn, like no one's actually seen it. So here's the proof now. So yeah, so that's dashboard, and you got the course catalog as well. This basically shows you the courses as well that's so far in here. There's obviously more I got on my laptop, but yeah, we've got halal computing, which basically gives you like the modules over there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modules as well. And then we got over here digital citizenship. You can go through this basically. And it's basically starts off with the questions basically, and you obviously we have guides as well to teach you how to get this right. And obviously Football Sky and AI course as well. This basically teaches you a lot of team play, recognize of bias, respect player pathways, collaborate effectively within multidisciplinary teams. Basically, this is aligned as well with team building and also safeguarding as well. And it's also aligned with the Scouting app, which we'll get to as well, because it teaches you everything. Yeah. So look, it just shows you how to even put the app together. Yeah. How to basically navigate the app, especially because it's a lot. Right. Anyways, right, we go down a bit. So we've also got a VR classroom. Oh, I'm good for time. Am I still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. Right, I got VR classroom. That's mainly with Ben and Musmil AI. I'm Statellia. Just keep. Well, I did start off calling myself it, but then I got a call saying, "Why are you calling yourself Mr. Statellia in third person?" I said, "Yeah, because I can't call him Muslim because I'm Muslim." So like the person basically ended up messing up my code actually. So anyways, so it's Quantum Learning Hub, and this is for KS5. So I believe that this is going to be important for KS5, especially like with everything that's going on in the world, it's going to be like to be able to sustain and protect that data, especially and mitigate it, right, and be ethical and save it. Basically, the future generation would need to learn that. So we got that for KS5. That's also can be done as a CPD as well. If you don't know anything about quantum and you want to learn about it, yeah, it can do that for you. And you got obviously the educators are all here. And you got the subject directory page as well. You got interactive learning. You got your Python course as well. These courses, once they complete, they do generate badges as well. I did the toddler learning mainly for my daughter, but my very mom didn't actually let her play it. But yeah, let's talk about safeguarding, eh? Right. So in disciplinary learning over here, you got like Ben and like we do basically the AI educators, they basically come together and they basically do like cross learning. And basically, I think this is like important because within disciplinary learning, especially like with ADHD or like certain education, we always jump from like topic to topic, and it works out in that sense where it's like we put it together like this, it'll make sense. So yeah, AI and democracy, ethics of technology, digital censorship, fairness in AI. That's what I want. Yeah, computing, education. So you can custom generate it as well. You can custom generate it, and you can collaborate as well. Which one you want to contact as well. So you can look, you pick as well. Decide collaborate. Who do you want to collaborate with? For example, don't know why. Well, anyway, will be fixed by the time the release is coming out this year, and by August it'll be all completed. So yeah, we've got all the education. So you got year 7, KS3 over there.
Hey dude, we gotta go to the next quantum loop. Thank you watching guys. See you on the next episode.